Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Netflix Premium Mode APK, which is the latest version, which is recently updated at 14 Feb. So this video is gonna really very helpful for the people who like Hollywood movies and TV series. So stay tuned to watch how to download it. Now show you how to download that APK. So first of all, open your browser, then type this Netflix mode APK on the Google bar, or don't worry about that. I'll provide you in the link in the description box, so don't worry about that. Just go in this, just go to the link which I have provided in the description. Now just move downwards. One second. These are the screenshot. So yeah, so you can see here, go to download page. So click on that. It will take you to the download page, and now just simply click on this download mode APK button. Click on this button. Yeah, so just press OK and it will start downloading. Let me check it is downloading or not. Yeah, it is. So just comment down below what you like in this video or anything else you want me to create. Okay, just press install button and it will get installed. So so what I was telling, that I'm working on a project that the tutorials of KineMaster. So comment me down below that you want that tutorials or not, so then I'll proceed to make it. So now it's the installation process has been done, so just click on done button, and let me show you that this is not fake. So this is here is Netflix. Let us open that. Give him all the permission which which it requires. So choose the language which you want. So I have selected English over here, and now you can see every new movie, every new TV series. Oh, every new TV series. Sorry, not T series. Copyright आ जाएगा. Okay. So this was all about the video. So if you like this video, press the like button, subscribe the video, press the bell icon so that you may remain updated with my videos. So until then, bye bye. Make sure you check it out my previous video, and please subscribe to the channel.